Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mildayanti. I'm from PBIA class. In this video, I will discuss about season 10 and season 11 about vowel sounds in English. Let's get started. Vowel sounds in English according Williamson 2050 categories English vowels into two categories called either pure vowels or monophthong, and complex vowels, also known as diphthong. Simple vowel sounds: when a speaker assumes only a single configuration of the mouth when producing a vowel. For example, there is no movement of the tongue, lips, or jaws. The speaker produces what is known as simple vowels. They are also sometimes known as pure vowels. For example, eat, ink, sink, and sit, is, and eagle. For example, get, sat, read, cat, rat, bat, ask, come, cup, cut, shoot, about, go alone, pair, and earn, agar, cook, book, look, spoon, food, full, put, look, loot, and look, call, all, and bob. In producing such a vowel sound, usually the shape of the speaker mouth changes. This is because the speaker has two types of movement, namely the initial movement to produce a simple sound at beginning, a simple vowel sounds, with others to produce a combination of vowel sounds in the same syllable at the end. For example, here, cheer, there, and chire, there, ire, tower, sure, power, and pray, say, they, fight, a, pie, voice, boy, aisle, slow, go, so. The vowel sounds production will be discussed. The types of vowels found in American English and British English. A. Front vowels, American English and British English. Front vowels are produced with the front part of the tongue raised towards to the heart plate. There are four front vowels, and they are largely and the same for speakers of both American and British English. There are four types of front vowels. The first, high front unrounded vowel. It is a long vowel, and so it may also be transcribed. And 2, mid-high front unrounded vowel. It is a short vowel. And 3, mid-long front unrounded vowel. It is also a short vowel. And 4, low front unrounded vowel, and the low front unrounded vowel are also short. And B, central vowels in American English and British English. And C, back vowels. Back vowels, for the back vowels are produced with rounded lips, and just one with rounded lips, different from front vowels, which are all made with unrounded lips. The sounds are high back rounded vowel, mid-high back rounded vowel, mid-back rounded vowel, low back rounded vowel, and low back rounded vowel. And the complex vowel sound. Vowel sounds articulating in English not only refers to articulating of simple vowels, but also to the articulation of complex vowels. Vowel letters and their sounds In learning speech sounds, it is important that we distinguish between letters and sounds because letters in English, both consonant and vowel letters, do not fully represent their sounds when they are articulated. For the reason, this section shows the distinction between vowel letters and their sounds, which commonly occurs not only in British English but sometimes also in American English. Methods learning English vowels. I emphasize that there are at least 3 basic ways to learn the pronunciation of English sounds, especially the vowel sounds. For example, to have knowledge of how the vowel sounds are articulated, to listen to a recorded phonetic course, and to practice making the vowel sounds. And last, in English words by imitating the recorded vowel sounds. Okay, I think enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.